of when I hear this question, and I recall the quote, and it goes something like, if we're the only conscious life in the universe, it's a terrible waste of space, because the universe is an incredibly big place. And when Carl made that statement, we didn't know about the profusion of planets that are out there. In the last decade, we've discovered over 1,000 planets, and a substantial number of those planets are Earth-like in terms of being in the Goldilocks zone, as it's called. So in my mind, it's practically inconceivable that we're the only conscious form of life in the universe. But that doesn't mean they've come to visit us.
Do you think we'll recognize alien life if we saw it? Do you think it'd look anything like the carbon-based, the biological system we have on Earth today?
It would depend on that life's native environment in which it arose. If that environment was sufficiently like our environment, there's a principle in biology and nature called convergence, which is that even if you have two biological systems that are totally separated from each other, if they face similar conditions, nature tends to converge on solutions. Mm-hmm. And so there might be similarities if this alien life form was born in a place that's kind of like this place.
Physics appears to be quite similar, the laws of physics across the entirety of the universe. Do you think weirder things than we see on Earth can spring up out of the same kinds of laws of physics?
From the laws of physics, I would say yes. First of all, if you look at carbon-based life, why are we carbon-based? Well, it turns out it's because of the way that carbon interacts with elements, which in fact is also a reflection on the electronic structure of the carbon nucleus.